India was born to build respect. India was born to create love. And India was born to generate peace.
जिस दिन तेरी फतह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या जमीन क्या आसमां ये हिंदुस्तान कहलाएगा.
Our mother India has given birth to so many great personalities, and one of them was Swami Vivekananda.
This is how our country is connected, and this is how we are connected.
मैं उस देश के नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था. मैं उस देश के नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप पहनावा मजहब बदल जाता था. मैं उस देश के नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था. मैं उस देश के नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था. An infinitive morning to honorable chief guests, respected principal teachers and all my dear brothers and sisters. This is Tanzan Pardon of class 10 standing over here to speak on the topic connecting India culturally, economically and geographically.
Now when I talk on this topic, how can I not talk about the rich heritage of tourism that our country has? How can I not talk about the Golden Temple, about Char Dham, about Ram Mandir in Ayodhya and about Rameshwaram Temple in Tamil Nadu? This is what creates revenue for our country, and this revenue is used to build up a stronger and better economy. And that we have a stronger economy now, it is possible for us to reach each and every portion of the country that is considered as one of the most remote areas. And this would not only lead to literate individuals but also to educated individuals who will arise and make this country a better place to live, who will arise and make our culture better and stronger. Our mother India has given birth to so many great personalities, and one of them was Swami Vivekananda. He, being a simple monk, wandered all over India just to understand the core of our culture. He finally reached at Kanyakumari, where he sat down to meditate for 3 days. That is 25th, 26th and 27th of December. Then he resolved to take participation in the World Parliament of Religion, where he represented Hinduism. Now, from 25th December to 12th January, that is the day when he sat down to meditate at Kanyakumari, up to his birth anniversary, is celebrated as Samarth Bharat Parva, that is the strength of Bharat. Now I would like to state how our country is getting globalized. We all know that India has always been rich in cultivable lands, rich in heritage, and rich is amongst you all beautiful youth of this country who will arise and make this country a better place to live. Moving ahead, I would like to talk about the geography of our country. When I say people drinking water at Bengal, this comes from the Himalayas. When I see people experiencing rainfall in Mumbai, these are the clouds from Gujarat. And we have the world's second largest network of roads. This is how our country is connected. And this is how we are connected. Now I would like to state how our country is getting globalized. We all know that India has always been rich in cultivable lands, rich in heritage, and rich is amongst you all beautiful youth of this country who will arise and make this country a better place to live. This is the reason why countries like superpowers wants to invest on our lands. Here, the only thing that the youth of our country can do is to strengthen this connection that already exists within and inter-India. How can we do this? We can do this by understanding our responsibilities and our duties towards our country. We can do this by taking active participation, and the day when we realize our responsibilities and our duties towards our country, our people and our nation, the face of this country will change. And let's do this. Let's hold our hands together and work even harder, and let's make this country a better place to live. Let's make our culture stronger and better. Let's do the thing for what India was born to. India was born to build respect. India was born to create love. And India was born to generate peace. Here, I would like to end my saying with this quote. जिस दिन तेरी फतह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या ज़मीन क्या आसमां ये हिंदुस्तान कहलाएगा.
With this, I end